Levan bike check. Now first, for the front rim, we got a Cinema 333 female axle hub, a sealed hub. Got the shiny blue, whatever you call it. Fit bike tire stock came with it. 2.25. Stock fit forks. And then we go up to the headset. That's also stock. Now, these pegs are like my favorite pegs. Shadow Conspiracy little ones in white. Oh, damn. Now we got the stock stem. We got stock fit bars, chrome. And then come to the middle. And come up here. The fit grips. Stock. Whatever. Then we come down to the sprocket. Fit Bike Company sprocket, 25 tooth with a 25:9 ratio back rim. And then we got stock crank arms. I'm kind of wearing them in. Animal Hamilton plastic PCs. Trans black. We got deco seat, and then we got a shadow seat post. Pivotal. And come to the back rim. Wheel. My back rim is a Shadow Raptor complete. Did nothing to it. Came complete. $210. 9-tooth drive. I got a Primo hub guard. Then got the other shadow peg right here. And then come to the frame. Fit Aiken 1. Made by Fit Bike Company. A little dirty.
Can you do some riding?
No.
Please?
No.
Come on.
Alright.
See your street skills.
Sorry.
Oh.